Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the Glove Attler Bullet Vibrator. So let's get started. So this is the Attler Bullet Vibrator itself in a gorgeous green colour. It's made of recycled ABS and silicone material and is very eco-friendly. It comes equipped with 10 vibration settings which are very stimulating, and because it's made of a very soft material, it means it's very comfortable to wear during use. Please note that the shaft is not flexible. And because of its compact, discreet size, it's easy to carry around with you, for example in your handbag, luggage or a toy bag as well. It's very travel friendly. It has a slight curved tip at the top just here, meaning it's perfect for clitoral stimulation or even external body stimulation. You can do this with your partner, for example as foreplay. So let's turn on this bullet vibrator. Push and hold on the button for 2 to 3 seconds until a blue light is on. This now indicates the toy is on, ready to go. Press once more and the vibrations begin. They're very strong and powerful, considering it's a very mini bullet vibrator, which makes it very stimulating for you. To change the vibration settings, click on that same button and find out which one is the best for you. To turn off the bullet vibrator, push and hold down for 2 seconds, and it's now off. It's also waterproof, so you can take this in the bath or shower for extra fun sensations with yourself or your partner as well. It's great for both solo and couples use as well. So for solo use, we would recommend to use it on the clitoris or vagina, and as mentioned earlier, you can also use it for external body stimulation as well, for example the nipples or anywhere on your body as well. To know more about the product, you can also check the packaging. On the side of the Glove Attler packaging is a QR code. You can scan this with your phone camera and it comes up with everything you need to know in a variety of different languages as well. You can find out anything from the charging time, vibrations, materials and lots more. There's also lots of useful information on the side and on the back of the packaging as well to help you with your experience. Now the Attler comes with a rechargeable USB charging cable. The charging point is located at the very bottom of the toy as a small silicone hole. Using your charger, you're going to push through this hole. This does not damage the toy, like so, and it will begin to charge for you. Now the charging time is approximately 60 minutes, that's an hour long, and the run time after charging is approximately 50 minutes long. Once it's finished charging, gently remove the charger like so, and it's ready to go. Now when using the Attler, we would highly recommend to use this in combination with a water-based lubricant. Once you're finished, make sure to clean after every use using a toy cleaner and lukewarm water. Alternatively, you can also use a mild antibacterial soap and lukewarm water as well. And that is the Glove Attler Bullet Vibrator. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we'll take a look at it for you. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.